Tara, tignan natin dito, boy. Hey, man. Tacos?
Yeah.
What's the best there?
I had the beef, but
The
she's
beef.
telling me the bistec on Morita is
Bistec and morita. This the last one. How much here? $1. Oh.
salsa.
Oh, you have shrimp as well. Shrimp.
Yeah, camaron.
Alright, this one. Okay. Parang sisig sa atin. No? Oh. This is the local. It like a local.
Then I will go have a Corona there.
Oh.
The bottle is like this.
Really?
Like litro.
Well, yeah.
Litro.
Beer.
In Philippines.
Yeah.
What's the name?
Red Horse.
Yeah, Red Horse,
Same.
yeah.
I saw that now. I'm gagawin.
That's really nice. I need to watch you so I know how to eat like a local. Oh, that's the thing. Okay, okay. Now I know. Yeah. Bistec and morita. Yeah. One. And then one like this, oh. One. Yeah. Onions and cilantro. This one. Yeah. Okay. How much this one? How much? $3. $4. We will add later.
You want more spicy?
That's spicy. Okay, I will try.
That is guacamole.
Guacamole.
Mas masarap doon sa kanain natin na malamok. Parang ganito rin yun, di ba?
Parang kaldereta to. Kaldereta na may ano? Cilantro.
Ewan, bulog na ako.
Sure ka? Hindi mo. Wala ka.
Baka marami siya nilalagay na ganyan, no? Yung sa kinain natin, parang manipis yun eh.
Oo.
No? Tapos kakalabo mo pa yung mga lamok.
Yung pampasarap dun. Alam ko Mexican yun eh. Only one. And $5 everything. Yeah. Thank you.
Ano yun?
Yun na.
Kalat yan eh. Parang bibili mo yan.
Mag tayo ngayon, boy. Parang ano? Tawag dun?
Parang chapsel lang yan ang nilagay sa amin.
Oo, yun. Thank you very